I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Alright guys, we're back with another video. This time we're doing the PRV compression horn, the WG2500PY Slim. It's got a polyamide diaphragm. I might not be saying polyamide, it might be polyamide, I don't know. But y'all see right there. Y'all know what I mean. It will be a rebuildable horn. So if you blow it, you can rebuild this horn or whatnot. 200 watts. I think this right now at the current time is $99 on the PRV Audio website. Be sure to get over there and check that out. Of course, y'all can search PRV Audio on Google. I definitely leave the links down below for you to check it out. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. It is a high frequency driver. The frequency response is 800 to 17,000 hertz. So if you're looking to make it scream or whatnot, that's definitely, you know, the best way to do it. So it's 8 ohms. Y'all can see right there on the box. I'm just going by, let y'all know everything on the box. Let's do that. Of course, y'all see that right there. Out of 2.5-inch voice coil. The power handle is 100 watts. Continuous power is RMS 200. Max power 400. 107 dB sensitivity, 8 ohm impedance. Of course, I just went over that with y'all, but I had to show y'all anyway. So let me get this over. Of course, y'all know you get the PRV decal. Okay, you get the warranty information. Of course, you know they got it packaged well. This is a heavy one, so you definitely want to have somewhere that's gonna hold this. Oh, man. Hold on. There we go. Got some little foam down in there. It definitely ain't one to be played with right here. Ooh. That is it right there. Let's set this down. Okay, you got the. Let me just flip it off. Alright. Of course, you got your push terminal right here. Probably 8 gauge, I'm thinking. No, it ain't 8 gauge. It's something a little bit smaller than that. But y'all know, if y'all wire speakers, you know it's a small wire. It's, you know, you can pick up anywhere. Of course, you can get it on prvaudio.com if you want to go with the same brand. This is a slim model. But definitely, if you got somewhere you mount this up, you want to make sure that it can hold the weight. Because this ain't no joke right here, y'all. Ain't no joke. Of course, you can unscrew it right here. If you need to rebuild it and replace the diaphragm, you blow it, you don't have to buy a new one. You can rebuild this. You take off the screws right here, unbolt that, and then you'll replace the diaphragm, put it back together, and you'll be back going. Alright. Try to sit this down. Alright. Definitely got a lot of weight on it. This is feels like a hard plastic. The wave guide right here is a short one, so you'll be able to stick this indoors. Y'all can see right there. Let me see if I got a rule. Okay, we're gonna measure from about right there. Let's go with, if you really want to be safe, you want to go about 6 inches. You know, you don't need much to get this in the door or whatnot. As long as you got at least about 6 inches on your doors. It's really a little bit under 6, but if you go 6, you know you got enough. You know, so you'll be all right. But really, you can get by for probably 5.5, but 6 gonna really get you in. So you really want to do that. But definitely, as y'all can see right there, this got a lot of weight on it. I'm trying my best to hold this without dropping it. Definitely got a lot of weight on it. We're gonna do a sound test on, you know, we always do the sound test, and we're gonna do the comparison video. Of course, y'all know we compared against a couple of other brands that I might have sitting around. And I got the Neo. I don't know. Do I got Neo horns? I don't know if I got Neo horns in there right now anyway. But I'm thinking I might try to do one more of these with the set of tweeters and speakers in the doors or something like that. I don't know. We'll figure something out. But now this may not go in the door for me because it's a little bit heavy. So I got something else in mind. Might have to get one more. But anyway, we'll see when it comes. But be sure to like, subscribe. We're not gonna drag this video out. Y'all see what the PRV horn is. This is like a new one, made good for doors. You want to scream really loud, good vocals or whatnot, this would be the way to go. Definitely look at prvaudio.com, timpanoaudio.com, and I'll leave links down below if you want to get there and pick you up some of these. Be sure to give them a follow on Instagram and all social media pages. Keep up with what they got going on. Great customer service. It never failed me, and I don't think it'll fail you either. So be sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. I'll see y'all back on the next one.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out caraudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.